face again. Oh no, I see your face again. I saw a silhouette and wish that it was you. Hope that I see your face again. Oh no, I see your face again. I see your face again. I see your face again.
Strawberry matcha!
Oo nga, no? Parang feeling ko, medyo attention getter tayo pag sama-sama.
Ay, parang,
Ano ng colors na?
parang mga bridesmaids.
Bakit? Ang lalakas pa ng boses natin.
I swear sa bukawan, ma-amaze talaga tayong lahat. Like to the point na, dali na! Ang picture din number 1. Best friend pa.
Tama.
May habang pabi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have your contestant number 1.
안녕하세요, 연입니다. 뭐야? 이놈 salamin ay. 뭐야? Today, we're going to. I look like. Parang nasa PBB pala, no? Kausap ko yung camera ni Kuya. Kuya! Si Mariel po! Okay. I have a vlog content. This, nafi-flip ba yung camera? Nor. Take over, guys. So, for this segment of the vlog, magre-reveal tayo ng raw Airbnb. Raw Airbnb things. Look at those things. They're so full of stuff. And yung trash namin. Ito na, this is decent enough to be included in the vlog. Our rental fines, a bygone, and then Delata, another bygone. This lang perfect.
Another bygone na hindi lang.
And then, what else? And then ref reveal. Walang laman. Waters, chocolate, unfinished milk tea. Akin yan, by the way. This is Mermer. GRWM. Get ready with me. Hi, Mer. What place are you excited about today? Actually, I'm looking forward to sa buwan something. Basta yan. Yan, basta yan. Breakfast, guys, is manigiri. Totoo. Kanyang And then this is, ayan. Okay, wag na yan. Gamit ko yan. Minsan lang ako mag-aral sa buhay, kaya nasagarin ko. This is our window view from the 14th floor. Let me show you something. So, yan yung view namin. Puro bubong. We are invading is this room. We have Majoy. Hi, Maj! Anong location ang excited ka today? Buwakan din. Oh, ano meron dun? And this is at the Kirsten. Masaya. Anong place ang excited ka today?
Ano yung background ko? I actually don't know. Pero siguro yung, 10,000 something.
Roses, wow.
Yeah.
Temple of Leia. I like the story. Pinagawa yun ng lolo or something ancestor ni Miss Ellen Adarna for his wife. Then, stuff reveal. Of course, we're girls. We have steamer, fountain, fun, and many domo brushes. And then, yeah, this is our room. Ayan. That is the random ritual. Good. Likod ni Kuya.
Hello. Hi everyone. So,
Annyeonghaseyo.
maayong ano yung greeting sa Cebuano? May nag-crack sa may palta ko, mami. Maayong buntag. Good morning.
Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
Mer,
Mga ano yun talaga yan, iba talaga yan sa mahal yung decision ng San Carlos, mahal talaga yan, yung lalo na engineering. Walang awa-awa kahit mahal ang bayad mo. Iba yun.
Dance break, Margie! Wala siyang energy, guys. Lobat pa siya kasi tok pa siya.
10 minutes.
Iba na Iloilo ngayon, hindi katulad dati yung nag-aaral pa ko doon.
Hi everyone! So for today is nandito kami sa Temple of Leia. Temple of Leia! Ano? Tara!
Yeah. Woke up late, sun on my face, coffee in a chip blue cup. Oh, white tee, same staircase, still it feels like glowing up. You text you out at 10:03, screenshot me, then come find me. 2 bus stops, crack concrete, turn my day to gold on me. You put me on the sunny side, flip my mood like over easy, laughing in the check.
Konnichiwa.
Turning all the small talk breezy. We don't even got to try. Simple days feel kinda fancy. 2 left shoes and still we slide. You and me, that slow dance, slow dance. Loose change, late train, who cares? We just race the elevator doors. You say pick a floor, any floor.
I'm so happy. Yeah. Say hi!
Ma, dahan-dahan ka ha.
Sa Encantadia. Let's go.
Ulit, ulit, ulit.
Buwakan ni Alejandra! Ano? Tara!
Welcome to paradise.
So nice!
Hindi ko gets. Ipapabideo ko. Is that Alejandra?
Nasa entrance na.
May tubig sa tindahan.
Ilipat sa cage. Alin ang ililipat?
Ay.
So guys, eto na si Chambelog ngayon.
Si Han.
Ito kami magpo-podcast, guys.
Ito na yung podcast tayo. Mukbang. Wala nang itim ako.
Tutuwa ako kanina guys kasi nakakarinig ako ng Korean. Live.
Walang tatawa, ha? Lulunukin.
Parang mga 3 seconds na.
Oo, nandito ba? Hindi kaya?
Parang ang awkward. Sige, naman. Try mo yung... Ano na agad? Wala na, dugduman na agad. I-try mo yung ginagawa na.
Sama ka unti-unti ka.
Hindi masarap.
Awkward, no?
Ang hirap.
Ang ganda ako, no? Inumumog muna bago inumin.
Shout out. Palangga fresh.
Tatry ko nga yung tuloy-tuloy.
Masarap. Palangga fresh fruit shake.
Ingat ka ha.
Ay, pusa. Ang cute kaya.
Baka kasi mag-snakat eh.
Kaya ano itong sabi niya?
Kaya mag-ingat. Alam ko kung ano.
Iyan pa. Padating na. Ayan na. Normal ako. Ayan na.
Ito guys. Sabay-sabay.
Act normal ako.
Ito yung tsura niya, pero tapos naman dito katingin. Ang normal daw, pero mukha mo normal yung mga mukhang yun.
Oo eh. Limino daw yung nandun.
Kanya kunyari, niligawan kayo ni Limino. Pero ang dami ng age gap. Okay lang.
Malaki naman. As long as...
Sobrang laki. Like parang pa 60 na siya.
Oo nga na!
Juno mo ang nila. 정말.
Oma na.
알았어.
Kung ba no? Alam mo, mas masaya talaga tayo sa mga simple lang.
Mas masaya pa tayo dito kasi dun sa loob ng sila.
Malamig kasi guys.
Hindi ako dito sana, nagdalawang shake na lang ako dito.
Maano mo ba kanina, nag-picture din kami. Bakit ikaw lang maganda?
We walked in silence, side by side. Same old steps, same old stride. The wind was whispering.
Ito, taken. Ito, single. Isang biggest, controversial take. Ang biggest scam ko ngayon ay si Raw. Kasi, sabi mo nga, sana nagmais na lang ako sa... Lahat ng bulaklak patay, guys. Sobrang init pa sa kamay. Oh, go.
Lord.
Okay.
Lord.
Lock sa mga.
Guys, take this moment to pray.
Yeah.
Yan.
Ay, tapos biglang party rock nag-pray yung tao.
Biglang party rock. Mapause na yun, ah.
Naku, nagano na!
Hindi naman natin sila makikita mo.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi mo sasalunan dito guys.
Welcome to Tops!
Welcome guys.
Different aesthetic talaga.
Oo.
Galing sa Temple of Flame. POV galing kasi akong after ako i-paint ng asawa ko kanina.
Ako naman, after kong ipagawa tong buong top.
Yeah.
And I wonder where we were that time. Your fingers closed.
I love you guys.
How do you feel right now for your last day?
Last day.
Sa Cebu.
I feel at peace. Parang nakapag-distress na talaga. Sobrang daming nangyari eh. Before Cebu trip, sobrang daming kaguluhan.
We were looking forward talaga.
We're finally here.
Yeah.
We're finally able to get together and relax.
Ayun nga, na-offend ako kasi ang sabi nila, yung type ko daw red flag. Reflection. Ano sabi mo sa Cebu? 없어요. 솔직히 없어요. 왜냐면 나는
난
너무
정말 행복해요.
나는 조금 진짜 정말 행복해요. 근데 조금 아쉽다. 왜냐면 we could have like longer trip and more places to go. Our flight is not that 좋아. We arrived here at night.
Makita man or hindi ang sunset, at least we made memories.
That's so much
Bond kami.
And then we'll go ng madaling araw. And we paid all, like, literally all the days na nandito sa Airbnb. So, 진짜 아쉽다. Ang ako diyan ng short. Ano, 뭐래요? Sana isama tong clip ni Mariel kasi wala ako sa vlog niya sa totoo lang kasi hindi kami naging magkabat. Because, ayoko na pala magsalita. Bye-bye!
Reflection daw for your last day.
Reflection?
Ako na mag-i-interview kasi wala si Mer. What's your thoughts?
Nothing. Yeah, it's all in the emotions. Wait, look.
Can you too? Sana.
Guys, hindi ko ma-on yung camera kasi itsura ko ganito.
Waiting for our van.
We have a 5 a.m. flight. Sana wala talaga akong nakalimutan. Morning. Grabe na tong 5 a.m. flight.
Under the moon, our shadows swayed like they were dancing in the night's embrace. That night we walked beneath the sky, hands held close under the crescent light. No
Dunay.
Your life vest has an oral tube. Tayo po ay lalabag na.
Now, unang opisyal, Joey Crucena at lahat ng aming mga
it wrapped around us. The way you called my name so soft, it changed everything, but I was lost. Your fingers closed, but not quite there. The moment hung still in